Certainly. Domino Data Lab is the largest open and extensible enterprise-grade data science platform that's out there. We're in 20% of the Fortune 100. There's a high likelihood that if you bank with anybody, you have insurance products with anybody, if you are taking any prescription medications, there's likelihood that from those companies, there's data scientists there who are using Domino Data Lab. I would say it is the hybrid and multi-cloud capabilities that we've been recently deploying. So it gives data scientists the ability to go and develop and deploy models really wherever the organization does business, where they're storing data, where they're running their applications. It makes it possible now for data scientists really to scale and for organizations to embed machine learning models and AI models really everywhere that they do business. I guess the other thing that I would point to are our code generation capabilities. There's been a huge demand for folks to upskill data analysts and subject matter experts on Python and R, and we have these easy-to-use wizards that enable folks to go through and do all of the tasks that you would in developing an analytics application, and it gives you, at the end of the day, the Python and R code for it, so you can take that, deploy that, build on it, reuse it, and so on. I mean, it is hard not to be really, really excited about everything that's happening on the generative AI side of things, obviously. It's not just because of the rapid pace of innovation that's happening, how on almost a daily basis we seem to be able to do unprecedented things that we just couldn't do previously. That obviously is great, but there's also this parallel force of just interest and excitement from everybody, whether that be the subject matter experts or whether that be from executives. Everybody is looking to have a generative AI strategy. So it's like if your leadership hasn't asked you for a generative AI strategy, it's probably going to come soon. That being said though, in terms of what these technologies can do, it's really, on the generative part of it is that's where it's least established. There are already incredible things that people are doing with generative AI architectures on the drug discovery side that our clients have been doing for a really long time now. So there's a huge opportunity in generative AI, and it's going to change the way we do business and things. But for a lot of organizations, it's actually the non-generative capabilities. It's our ability to process unstructured data and automate processes based off of that, which is really where folks are going to see and already seeing the impact right now. Well, data science is a very young profession. If I was going to make an analogy to it, I would say it's a little bit like being an angsty teenager. Right? You feel like nobody understands you. You feel like nobody has figured out your needs. You feel like you're alone in the world. And events like this really bring that community together and make you realize, no, you're not alone. Everybody else is facing the exact same struggles that you are, and even better, they're doing incredible things. They are not just having the potential to change the world, they are actually changing the world. And so conferences and events like this are where you create that tribe, where you find your identity, and where you have the confidence and learn the best practices to go in and really be able to use these extraordinarily powerful technologies. Yeah.